Discover the best mechanical keyboards for gamers, typists, and professionals. Enjoy satisfying tactile feedback, customizable keys, and durable designs that elevate your typing and gaming experience. Starting at number 1, Corsair K95 Gaming Keyboard. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT Mechanical Wired. Gaming Keyboard. A premium full-size gaming keyboard with ultra-fast Cherry MX speed switches, durable PBT double-shot keycaps, and fully customizable per-key RGB lighting via Corsair ICUE software. It includes 6 dedicated macro keys, a plush detachable wrist rest, dedicated media controls, and USB pass-through, all designed to give gamers and creators fast performance and extensive control. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL Keyboard. SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL Compact Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a high-performance 10-keyless gaming keyboard featuring smooth red linear switches with long durability, a built-in OLED smart display for on-the-fly info and settings, dynamic per-key RGB lighting, and handy USB pass-through plus dedicated media controls for seamless gaming and multimedia control. Built with a sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum frame and a detachable magnetic wrist rest, it delivers both durability and comfort for intense gaming sessions. Number 3. Logitech G Pro Gaming Keyboard. Logitech G Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Shroud Edition. A pro-grade compact 10-keyless mechanical gaming keyboard inspired by top esports athletes and popular streamer Shroud. It delivers tournament-ready performance with responsive mechanical switches, customizable LightSync RGB lighting, and a durable detachable USB cable, all in a portable design that saves desk space and gives you more room for precise mouse movement. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Origins. HyperX Alloy Origins Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. A compact, high-performance mechanical keyboard with smooth HyperX red linear switches that deliver fast, responsive keystrokes and up to 80 million key press durability. It features bright per-key RGB backlighting, a sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum body, a detachable USB-C cable for easy setup and portability, and advanced lighting plus macro customization through HyperX Ingenuity software. Perfect for gamers who want both performance and style in a smaller footprint. Number 5. Drop ENTR Mechanical Keyboard. Drop ENTR. Mechanical Keyboard. A solid 10-keyless TKL mechanical keyboard with a durable anodized aluminum case and high-quality double-shot shine-through PBT keycaps that resist fading. It features USB-C connectivity, N-key rollover for accurate typing or gaming input, and clean white backlit LED lighting. Available with tactile Halo True or smooth linear Gateron yellow switch options for different typing feels.